Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to kind of expand upon this. And I came to me that we're going to be starting to do more advanced items and more complicated videos and more complicated functions. And I just don't want to throw them all at you. I want to do them piecemeal. So we're kind of going to start doing series. So this is going to be a very simple way to find the lower denominator. So let's just say we have two numbers. I'm going to show you how simple, and you'll probably be able to pick up on this. So I remember when I started programming that we were going to do something like this. So we wanted to have, let's say, 32 divided by 4. But if we did 4 divided by 32, but we want let's say we're just taking in information and we wanted to get what the largest number would be if we group it. So let's say, what if x greater than y, print x divided by y, else print y, so y divided by x, right? So then we do something like this. We do lower 32 and 8. We run that, we get our 4, or we rotate this and go 38, excuse me, 8 and then 32. So we should get the same answer. Okay, well, if we start doing more complex, which actually we're going to do, the next video after this is going to be the lowest common denominator, and this is going to be important. So let's copy this, but then black this out so you can see it. Bad way, simple to understand, but not the best. So we're going to do the best. If you haven't seen Max and Min, go watch that video, come back and finish watching this. So this is how simple and very elegant. Let's see if I got enough parentheses. Now I have enough parentheses. Did this all on one line. And the reason why this is important is the next video. So let's just go through this. Put the bigger number denominator, do the smaller number as the numerator, excuse me, larger number numerator, smaller number denominator. Run this, 4 and 4. So boom, I was able to put this using Python's max function and min function to do this all on one line. So again, this is going to be a series that we did the and the or last time. This time we're showing how to go through and find a lower numerator, or you can say larger numerator and lower denominator. So that's what we wanted to do here, and we're just going to build upon this because the next video we're going to tie these last two, this and the and or, together to be able to do something pretty significant. That is very handy. So please leave any comments below. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, because we're going to start doing a lot more videos and a lot more series videos as well. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys are getting something out of this, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.